Hurricane Walaka is a very large hurricane in the Central Pacific. This, of course, up to Category 5 earlier this morning with 160-mile-per-hour sustained winds. And it has dropped just a little bit, but it's still a very impressive storm nonetheless. And then that storm is going to continue to lift north, again, away from the Hawaiian Islands, thankfully. This will continue, though, on its path to the northeast over the course of the weekend as it diminishes. Atlantic Basin still has Leslie ongoing there, lifting north. And then, of course, this wave has a low probability of tropical formation over that next 5-day period. But the eastern Pacific is still pretty active with Sergio, a hurricane drifting west, and then the remnants of Rosa moving into Northern California, but bringing some very heavy rain to the southwest. We have some flash flood warnings in place out over Phoenix, Arizona, and that was one of the views there. You can see the visibility is dropping at times as that heavy rain moves in. So there are the remnants of Rosa. This is going to continue to lift to the north pretty quickly, though, overnight. And then we have another area of low pressure bringing rain to San Francisco and places out near L.A. So we will have some rain along the coast, but your heaviest is going to be found from Salt Lake to Phoenix. Maybe still some 1 to 2+ inch tallies, thus your flash flood watches within those areas. Nice to see the moisture. We are very dry, some extreme and exceptional drought conditions within these areas. And we'll head now to Calgary, Canada. I want to thank Michelle Surgison for that picture. You can see what looks to be like 6 to maybe even 8 inches of snow. Glacier National Park and the lower 48 out at Logan's Pass also getting some snow, and they're under winter storm warnings. They could have as much as 6 to 12+ inch snowfall tallies there. So we'll be watching that snow continue as it descends down the northern Rockies here over the next few days. Looking at some snowfall, or at least some severe weather rather, from Columbus, Ohio to near Boston, Massachusetts. Tomorrow the threat is in the upper Midwest again, and also see some severe weather in the Southwest. So pretty active period right now, and heavy rain falling across parts of the region or nation, that is.